we have 2 Hello Kitty blind boxes. Which one are we starting with? Pink. I want Hello Kitty. I want any Hello Kitty. I wouldn't be angry at the original cinnamon roll, but I absolutely do not want Kuromi. There's also a secret. Might always break. Okay. Okay. Bag. I just don't want Kuromi. Anything. Anything. Anything but Kuromi. Anything. Oh, she's so cute. And she has a vinyl face. This is the Bloom Hello Kitty. This is Bloom. The last one. Last one. I don't want Kuromi. Anything.
Imagine the same one.
Could be. I don't want Kuromi. Oh, it's a cinnamon roll. She's
That's
cute. I'm not angry at cinnamon roll. She's cute. The hot pink and the red. We want those two. I want to know what the secret one looks like too. I want to know what that one looks like. Very cute. Look at these.